Hello beauties, I am Rushali Soni. Welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Hope you like the video.
Retinol. It's that superstar ingredient that just about everyone in skincare is talking about, right? It's praised for pretty much everything, from anti-aging to giving you that incredible flawless glow. But what if I told you the real secret to using it well isn't just about when to start, but actually knowing when to pause, or maybe even when not to start at all? Yeah, we're gonna get into the retinol rules you probably haven't heard before.
And that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? I mean, you see all these amazing before and after pictures online, and it is so easy to think that this one powerhouse ingredient is the magic bullet for perfect skin. But as we're about to find out, the reality is, well, it's a little more complicated than that.
And this quote right here from dermatologist Dr. Anchal just hits the nail on the head. She makes this point that so often gets lost in all the hype and excitement. Skincare is just not a one-size-fits-all deal. So, using her expert guidance, let's dive into who should probably press pause on using retinol.
Okay, so to make this really simple, we've broken down Dr. Anchal's advice into 4 key red flags. You can think of these as your own personal checkpoints to run through before you even think about reaching for that retinol serum or cream.
So here they are. We're gonna look at everything from your age and what your skin is doing right now to the specific type of acne you might be dealing with and even what you've been doing in your routine lately. Trust me, each of these can be a total deal breaker. Ready? Let's jump into that first one. All right, red flag number 1 might actually surprise you. If you're under 25, the expert advice is you probably don't need retinol. And you might be asking, why? Well, it's because your skin is already in its prime. It's at its peak when it comes to making collagen and turning over new cells. So adding a really powerful ingredient like retinol at this point is for most people just not necessary.
So, if retinol's out, what should you be focusing on instead? Honestly, it's all about nailing the basics. A simple, consistent routine built around these key things. Cleansing your face properly, keeping it moisturized, and this is the big one, sun protection. Seriously, getting these fundamentals down will do so much more for your skin in the long run. Okay, our second red flag is all about learning to listen to your skin and what it's telling you in this very moment. If you're seeing any signs of distress, you know, that tight, dry feeling, constant irritation, or flaky patches, your skin is sending you a very clear signal that something's not right. So what's really going on when you see all that irritation? Well, almost every time, it comes down to this, a damaged skin barrier. Think of it like your skin's defensive wall. If you try to add a powerful ingredient like retinol when that wall has holes in it, you're just gonna cause more problems. So the mantra here is heal first. Load up on a good moisturizer, repair that barrier, and only then can you even think about bringing retinol into the picture. Now this next one, this one might feel completely backwards. I get it, because so many people start using retinoids specifically for acne. But here's the twist, the cosmetic over-the-counter retinol you can buy at the store is often not the best choice. There's a really big difference between that and what a doctor would prescribe.
And this explains it perfectly. On the left, you can see the problem with a lot of those cosmetic retinols. To make them less irritating, they're often put into these really thick, heavy moisturizing formulas. But the catch is, for someone with acne-prone skin, some of those very ingredients can be comedogenic, which is just a fancy word for pore clogging, so they can actually make your acne worse. That's why on the right, a dermatologist would probably point you towards something like adapalene or tretinoin. Those are specifically designed to target acne without all those extra potentially problematic ingredients.
And here we are at our final red flag. This one is all about timing and, making sure your products are playing nicely together in your routine. Because if you've recently used other strong products, especially some heavy-duty exfoliants, you really need to be careful.
This timeline lays it out so clearly. Let's imagine you do an at-home chemical peel, something with a high concentration of AHA. For the next week, your skin is in this delicate, sensitive, healing phase. Slapping retinol on top of that, oh, that is a recipe for some serious irritation. So the rule is super simple, just wait. You need to give your skin at least a full week to recover before you even think about putting retinol back on it.
So, we've gone through all 4 red flags. What's the ultimate takeaway here? What's the big picture rule? It's really about shifting our whole mindset, moving away from just chasing the latest trending ingredient, and instead getting way better at understanding what our own unique skin actually needs.
And that really leaves us with this final and I think most important thought.
At the end of the day, the best skincare routine has nothing to do with having the most popular or hyped up products on your shelf. It's about learning to read the unique signals your skin is sending you and just giving it what it truly needs right here and right now. So the real question is, are you listening?
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share the video.